Thinking of taking the SAP Certified Administrator, SAP Fieldglass Services Procurement exam? Be careful. This certification is no longer about memorizing definitions. You'll face AI-driven business scenarios where SAP evaluates your ability to configure, analyze, and solve real services procurement challenges. In this video, you'll experience realistic exam-style tasks, answer AI interviewer questions, and learn how successful candidates approach these situations. Before we begin, we'll cover the most important topics and real-world scenarios you need to master for this certification, helping you build the practical skills SAP expects from Fieldglass professionals. The scenarios you'll encounter reflect the same challenges administrators face in real SAP projects. Now, let's begin with the first scenario. Scenario 1. Service procurement request. Delays. A global company reports that service procurement requests are taking too long to move through the approval process. Several projects are delayed because service providers cannot start work on time. You have been asked to investigate and improve the workflow. AI interviewer. As the SAP Fieldglass Administrator, what would be your first step? Best response. I would review the current approval workflow configuration and identify bottlenecks. Specifically, I would analyze approval routing rules, approval levels, notification settings, and any pending approvals causing delays. I would also review workflow analytics to determine where requests spend the most time before approval. AI cross question. How would you determine whether the issue is process-related or configuration-related? Best response. I would compare workflow configuration against actual approval data. If approvals are delayed because approvers are not responding, the issue is process-related. If approvals are routing incorrectly, creating unnecessary approval layers, or failing notification triggers, the issue is configuration-related. AI cross-question. What business outcome would you expect after optimization? Best response, reduced approval cycle times, faster service provider onboarding, improved project delivery timelines, and higher operational efficiency. Scenario 2, incorrect service provider, visibility. Business users report they can view service providers that belong to other departments. Management is concerned about security and compliance. AI interviewer, how would you approach this issue? Best response, I would review user roles, permissions, and visibility settings configured within SAP Fieldglass. The goal would be to ensure users only access data relevant to their business function and organizational responsibilities. AI cross. Question. What configuration area would you investigate first? Best response. Role-based permissions and organizational hierarchy assignments. Incorrect access typically results from permission configuration or user assignment errors. AI cross. Question, why is this important? Best response, proper access control protects sensitive supplier information, supports compliance requirements, and reduces operational risk. If you're preparing for the exam, practice is essential. The new SAP scenario-based questions require real decision-making skills. You can explore additional SAP exam simulations and practice resources at pass4success.com to strengthen your preparation. Now let's continue. Scenario 3, Workforce Planning Challenge. A company is experiencing recurring service delivery issues because external workforce demand exceeds available resources. Leadership wants better workforce planning. AI interviewer, how can SAP Fieldglass help address this challenge? Best response, SAP Fieldglass provides workforce visibility and planning capabilities that help organizations align service demand with resource availability. I would use workforce analytics to identify demand trends, capacity constraints, and future staffing requirements. AI cross-question, which skill area from the certification directly applies here? Best response, strategic workforce planning. The platform helps organizations proactively manage workforce requirements rather than reacting to shortages after they occur. AI cross. Question, what business benefit would result? Best response, improved resource utilization, reduced service disruptions, better forecasting accuracy, and enhanced project delivery performance. Scenario 4, reporting and analytics request. Executives need visibility into service procurement spending, supplier performance, and approval efficiency. Current reporting is inconsistent. AI interviewer. What would you recommend? Best response. I would leverage SAP Fieldglass Analytics capabilities to create standardized reporting dashboards focused on procurement spend, supplier performance metrics, approval cycle times, and operational KPIs. AI cross. Question. Why are analytics important for administrators? Best response. Analytics provide actionable insights that support decision-making, process optimization, compliance monitoring, and continuous improvement initiatives. AI cross question. How would you validate report accuracy? Best response. By comparing report outputs against transactional data, reviewing calculation logic, and performing stakeholder validation before production deployment. Scenario 5. Integration failure. Investigation. Data synchronization between SAP Fieldglass and another enterprise system has stopped working. Business users report missing records and inconsistent data. AI interviewer. What would be your troubleshooting approach? Best response. I would first identify the integration point affected and review integration logs, error messages, and recent configuration changes. The objective is to isolate whether the failure originates from Fieldglass, the connected system, or the data exchange process itself. AI cross question. Why is integration knowledge tested in this certification? Best response. Because administrators are responsible for maintaining reliable system operations and ensuring business processes continue without disruption. Integration failures directly impact procurement workflows, reporting accuracy, and operational efficiency. AI cross. Question. What would success look like? Best response. Accurate data synchronization, restored business processes, reduced manual intervention, and reliable system performance. Today, you completed realistic SAP exam simulations designed to build the practical skills tested in the certification exam. These are the types of hands-on, scenario-based challenges you'll encounter in modern SAP assessments. If this helped, continue with our SAP certification playlist, where we cover additional exam tasks and advanced business scenarios. For more SAP exam simulation practice, visit pass4success.com. Subscribe, keep practicing, and remember, the goal isn't just to learn SAP. The goal is to perform successfully when SAP asks you to solve a real business problem. See you in the next video.